How to download and install Adobe Audition on your PC or laptop. First, you'll find the links in the description of this video. Open the first link. Select your country and click on Free Trial. Here you'll see 3 plans: Individual, Students and Teachers, and Business. Choose Individual. Then check this box to get 7 days of Adobe stock for free. Now click on Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue again. On the next page, enter your payment details using your preferred payment method. Don't worry, you won't be charged until your free trial ends. Then click on Start Free Trial. After that, you'll get a confirmation message, and make sure to create an Adobe account password from here before moving ahead. Now go back to the description and open the second link. This will take you to the Creative Cloud download page. Click on the download button. Then double-click to run the installer and simply install the app. Open the Creative Cloud after signing in with that same account and go to the Apps section from the left side. Here you'll find Audition. Click on it, then click on Install, and Audition will start downloading and installing automatically. That's it.